Hi guys, I just want to share with you one of the best call blacklist that I've used so far on my phone. And to install this application, you need to use your Play Store and just type in call blacklist. And once you see this logo and it says calls blacklist, call blocker, just hit on that. It's going to bring you to the screen and then click install. Now it's installing and it's done. And just hit on open. It says permissions required to continue. Call blacklist requires access to phone, SMS, and contact. Hit on continue, and then it will ask you to allow to give authorization to this application to have access to and make and manage your calls. Click on allow, and for the SMS as well, click on allow, and there you go. The application is already installed. The reason why I like it so much is because it integrates with with your phone contacts and logs. Apart from the fact that the application itself can work independently. Let's just put it to test immediately. I'm going to call the number on this phone. Now I've not added anything to the blacklist. As you can see, I can see the number and it's ringing. And I'm just going to stop this. And I've got two options there. Two options. I can click on this plus symbol and then add from my call logs, which is from call logs or from contact or from message log. I so much love it. It's from the call logs. You can see I've got 1% call logs, and that's the number I used to call this. You can just tick this one, and that's all. And then click on this blue icon on the bottom right corner, and that has been added to the blacklist. Alternatively, let's go into the call logs. There you go. You can just hold this down, and then it says add to blacklist. So you can just add to blacklist from there. Now that I've added this to the blacklist application, let me try to call this phone one more time. Let's see what's going to happen. It's just going to ring once. That's it. And then it's gone off from my side here. I'm into the voicemail. Alright, so that's how this application works. Let's go back. I've received the text message saying that I have got a missed call here. Where is the application? There you go. The number has been added, and a lot of applications here as well. Not application, a lot of functions. If you click on this little arrow on the top right here that is pointing downward, it gives you a lot of options, and it says do you want to block calls, private numbers. Just for calls, you just have to make sure this blue button is turned on to blue there, and you can select categories. Do you want to block all calls? It's just private numbers, unknown numbers, the numbers that shows up or that you don't even see the number, just say call one or unknown number. Once you check that, it automatically block any number that is calling you without ID. And the same thing for all calls while VoIP is established. And also for text message as well, you can just have that enabled, whatever you want to do there. It's a very beautiful application. Let's look at some other functions we can see in the settings. Blacklist logs. You can even schedule when you want to receive calls and you don't want to receive, and you can add some calls, some numbers to your whitelist. And for the whitelist will be the numbers you don't want to be blocked. So once you enable the whitelist, that number or the number that you've added to your whitelist will never be blocked. Let's look at some other settings. Blocking, status bar icon, schedule, whitelist, never block numbers, password protection, notification. The only thing is the fact that this particular free version would have some adverts just on the bottom.